What if I told you there's a hidden supercomputer inside your mind, one that can heal diseases, attract wealth, and even rewrite your destiny? And what if you've been using it wrong your entire life? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of the power of your subconscious mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy, the book that's transformed millions. Buckle up, because your life is about to change. Introduction: The Hidden Force Within You. Dr. Joseph Murphy's The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, first published in 1963, is one of the most influential self-help books of all time. It reveals how your own subconscious mind, the silent, invisible 90% of your mental activity, controls your health, wealth, relationships, and overall success. Why this book matters. Scientifically backed. Modern neuroscience confirms that subconscious programming shapes 95% of our decisions. Proven results: countless people have healed illnesses, manifested wealth, and transformed their lives using Murphy's technique, universal law. The principles align with the law of attraction, neuroplasticity, and quantum physics. Key idea: your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. Whatever you plant, thoughts, beliefs, images, will grow into your reality. Part 1. How your subconscious mind works. 1. The two minds. Conscious says yes, subconscious. Conscious mind, 10%. Logical, analytical, makes decisions. Subconscious mind, 90%. Stores habits, emotions, beliefs, and automatically executes programs without questioning. Example: if you consciously say, "Oh, I want to be rich," but subconsciously believe money is evil, guess what? You'll stay broke. Though. The subconscious doesn't think. It obeys. It doesn't argue. It accepts whatever you impress upon it. It works 24/7, even while you sleep. It controls automatic bodily functions, breathing, digestion, healing. Murphy's Law. Whatever you impress upon your subconscious mind, it will express in your life. Part 2. The 7 most powerful techniques to reprogram your subconscious. 1. Affirmation. The language of the subconscious. How it works. Repetition rewires neural pathway. Example: old belief, "I'm always struggling with money." New affirmation: "Wealth flows to me effortlessly and endlessly." Pro tip: say affirmations before sleep, when the subconscious is most receptive. Ardent bright visualization. Mental movies create reality. Science: the brain can't distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. Murphy's case study. A man visualized owning a pharmacy every night. Within years, he owned one exactly as imagined. Exercise: spend 5 minutes daily imagining your dream life. Feel the emotion. Twice. 3. The as if principle. Act as if your desire is already true. Example: if you want confidence, stand tall, speak firmly, and smile. Your subconscious will adopt the belief. Ashans used for sleep programming, the drowsy state method. Why it works? The subconscious is most open just before sleep. Technique: repeat a short phrase, "I am wealthy and happy," like a lullaby until you fall asleep. None. 5. Gratitude, the fastest way to attract abundance. Murphy's insight: a thankful heart is always close to the creative forces of the universe. Practice: keep a gratitude journal. Write 3 things you're grateful for daily. 6. Forgiveness, the key to emotional freedom. Subconscious block: resentment equals self-poisoning. Exercise: repeat, "I fully and freely forgive." Name: I release them and am free. 7. The law of reverse effort. Stop trying so hard. Murphy's warning: when willpower and imagination clash, imagination always wins. Example: trying to sleep, the harder you try, the more awake you become. Solution: relax, let go, and trust the process. Part 3. How to use your subconscious for wealth and success. Pokeset. 1. The wealth magnet technique. Affirmation: money comes to me easily and abundantly. Visualization: hold imaginary checks, see bank statements with large balances. Ba. 2. Why most people stay broke. Self-sabotage. Saying, "I can't afford it." Programs lack into your subconscious. Fix it. Replace with, "I accept abundance now." Part 3. How to use your subconscious for wealth and success. Pokeset. 1. The wealth magnet technique. Affirmation. Money comes to me easily and abundantly. Visualization. Hold imaginary checks. See bank statements with large balances. Ba. 2. Why most people stay broke. Self-sabotage. Saying, I can't afford it. Programs lack into your subconscious. Fix it. Replace with, I accept abundance now. 3. The millionaire mindset. Shift. Belief. There's more than enough for everyone. Action. Give generously. This signals, I have plenty. Part 4. Healing your body with your subconscious. 1. The mind-body connection. Murphy's discovery. Illness often starts with negative mental patterns. Fear, anger, stress. Case study. A woman healed her crippling arthritis by affirming, I am whole and perfect. 2. The perfect health formula. Affirmation. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. Visualization. See yourself vibrant, strong, and full of vitality. 3. The power of sleep healing. Nighttime command. Before sleep, say, my body heals perfectly tonight. Part 5. Attracting love and happiness. 1. The soulmate visualization exercise. Imagine your ideal partner, feel their love, hear their voice, their daughter saying. 2. Releasing loneliness. Affirmation. I am loved, cherished, and surrounded by wonderful relationships. 3. The happiness habit. Daily practice. Smile for 60 seconds. This tricks your brain into feeling joy. Top 3 are lessons. 1. Your subconscious is always listening. Feed it empowering thoughts. 2. Repetition plus emotion equals reprogramming. Do it daily. 3. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe. 1. Pick one technique. Affirmations, visualization, sleep programming. Practice for 30 days. Track your results. 3. Comment below. I'm reprogramming my mind. Bonus. If this resonated, smash that like button and subscribe. We drop life-changing book summaries every week. Your subconscious mind is a genie waiting for your command. So, what's your first wish? Write it below, hit subscribe, and let's make magic happen.